if you want to become an English speaker, according to me, you have if you do not have any mentor, any guide, you do not able to speak English, because guide, a mentor provides you the material, and suppose you are speaking in English and you do not you are only speaking, you do not have any idea about what you have issues in yours, you are speaking in wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation. The teacher always corrects you, what's your lackness, what's your issues in your speaking. And pronunciation, vocabs, grammar is also the pillars of the English speaking. And the teacher, the guide, the mentor provide you the correct pronunciation of the words, the correct grammar. And if you are continuously speaking in English and do not have the idea of vocabs, you do not speak in English, because everyone have English in their pockets and do not able to speak. If CBSE board student is coming here, why? Only the lackness, only lack of teacher, of mentor. And if a person who is in graduation, who is in post graduation, doesn't matter. They will come here because lack of confidence, lack of motivation, lack of knowledge of a guide or mentor. So the guide, the mentor provides you the material. How can you speak very fluently, very smoothly?